Hello, in this video we are going to explain the Oqtf, an order to leave France, a document issued by the Prefecture. As soon as the CNDA, National Court for the Right to Asylum, officially rejects your asylum application, you have definitely been refused the right to asylum. You may then receive a refusal of residence and an Oqtf from the Prefecture. An Oqtf is a document from the Prefecture that orders you to leave France. With the new 2019 law, if your asylum application is under review or if you are a national of a so-called safe country, it is possible that the Prefecture will notify you of this Oqtf decision as soon as OFPRA, French Office for the Protection of Refugees and Stateless Persons, rejects your asylum application. The order is often sent by post. If you change your address, you must notify the Prefecture of your new address. This can be done by registered post. This is important in the sense that if the Prefecture sends you an Oqtf, it is better to be aware of it and to have the choice of challenging it or not. If you have not notified the Prefecture of your new address, or if you do not pick up your post, this does not cancel the effects of the Oqtf. So what do you do when you receive an Oqtf? You have the right to appeal in writing within 15 days if you have received it by post, or 48 hours if the Prefecture or a police officer has given it to you directly. If it is sent by post, the appeal time period begins when you have collected your post, and if you have not collected your post, the time period begins on the date of a postman's delivery notification. If a document is delivered directly to you, this appeal time period begins on the day of delivery. Contact an association or lawyer immediately to help you write this appeal within a time limit. If you are unable to contact an association or lawyer in time, you yourself should send by fax an initial appeal to the administrative court with a copy of the Oqtf. The number is on the Prefecture document. You will find a template on the DEMANDE website. It is very easy to complete. You will find a link on our website domasyle.info. Keep the acknowledgement of receipt of the fax. This is proof that the appeal was sent on time. Once this initial appeal has been sent, you cannot be expelled before the court has responded. But you may be placed in a detention center in the event of an identity check. In that case, immediately ask to see a lawyer and an association that helps people who are detained, who are also in the detention centers. The court will consider your appeal within 6 weeks, and you can add information to the appeal up to the day of the hearing. Don't forget to ask for a duty lawyer and an interpreter if you need one. When you are called to a hearing at the administrative court, it is very important to go. There is no risk of arrest. To defend yourself, you can highlight some important elements. If you are still waiting for a CNDA decision, explain why it is important not to be deported until you have had your hearing. If you have family in France, or if you work, or if you are being treated in France for a serious illness, it is important to talk about it and provide evidence to the judge. If you find yourself without papers, here are some tips. Keep with you the telephone number of the lawyer and/or the association that accompanies you. Keep copies of the documents of the administrative procedures in progress and documents proving that you have ties in France, schooling of children, proof of accommodation, domiciliation, studies, non-specific medical certificates, payslips, copies of your partner's papers if you live with a person residing regularly in France. Do not keep your passport with you, otherwise the police can deport you more easily. Avoid places where there are often checks, such as large train and RER stations, airports, border areas, etc., and always have a valid transport ticket. If you go to the Prefecture following receipt of a summons on which is written for enforcement of an expulsion order, if you go there, there's a high risk of being arrested and locked up in the detention center. Again, Act quickly when you have this document and get help from a specialized association. You will find useful addresses and links on our website domasil.info. See you soon.